Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 cordless brad nail gun. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Melwin Cordless Electric Nail Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Melwin. Nail type, straight nail. Applicable nail length, 10 to 30 millimeters. Nail capacity, 100 PCS. Function, single shot, continuous shot. Battery included, yes. Origin, China. Use, home DIY. Product number 4, Nail 2-in-1 Brushless Electric Nailer. Specifications. Brand name, Nail. Type, finish nail gun. Straight nail, 15 to 50 millimeters. Code nail, 10 to 40 millimeters. Adaptive width, 6 millimeters. Suitable nail wire diameter, 1.05 to 1.2 millimeters. Vibration level, 2.5 meters per square second or less. Battery capacity, 22,900 milliamp hours. Origin, China. Product number 3, Patchuo Pro Brushless Electric Nail Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Patchuo Pro. Battery included, no. Power source, electricity. Use, home DIY. Origin, China. Product number 2, Electric Nailer Stapler Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Apollo. Straight nail, 10 to 32 millimeters. Code nail, 15 to 25 millimeters. Adaptive width, 6 millimeters. Suitable nail wire diameter, 1.08 to 1.25 millimeters. Vibration level, 2.5 meters per square second or less. Sound pressure level, 81 dB. Sound power, 92 dB. Battery included, no. Power source, electricity. Origin, China. Product number 1, Cordless Nail Gun LB209. Specifications. Model number, LB209. Customized, yes. Capacity, F50, 90/40. Power source, electricity. Type, air stapler. Use, commercial manufacture. Nail speed. Single, 60 nails/min. Continue, 100 nails/min.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.